Hello everyone, welcome to the Dr. Olubengaditun YouTube channel. In this video, I am talking to you about the hidden cost of buying a home, what every buyer needs to know. Buying a home is a monumental achievement, and even for you to be called a landlord is a big deal. You are a real landlord. That people that form that word, they mean business, landlord, the lord of the land. So buying a home is a monumental achievement, but it's not just about the down payment and mortgage. Hidden costs can catch even the most prepared buyers off guard. From closing fees to unexpected repairs, these expenses can add up quickly. Knowing what to expect ensures you are financially ready to make one of the most significant investments of your lifetime. Now, number one is the closing costs. Closing costs are a bundle of fees paid at the end of the home buying process. This can range from 2% to 5% of the home's purchase price and may include the following: loan origination fees charged by the lender for processing your loan, appraisal fees, costs to assess the home's value, typically in the range of $300 to $500, and if you can convert that to the local currency rate, it can vary also. Then you also need title insurance and escrow fees. This protects against disputes over ownership and handles transaction funds. Now, another one is property taxes. Once you own a home, you are responsible for annual property taxes, which is also called tenement rate in some parts of Nigeria. So depending on your location, this could be a significant ongoing expense. Ensure you check the property tax rate in your area before finalizing your budget. Now, another one is homeowners insurance. This is another expense. In some places like Nigeria, it is not compulsory. The insurance is optional. But in some other countries, it is compulsory, it is mandatory. So homeowners insurance makes lenders require homeowners insurance to protect the property. You can see lenders require homeowners insurance to protect the property. So in a place where there is mortgage is used to buy the home. So compulsorily homeowner insurance have to be taken. So this is additional cost on the side of the buyer. Now, another one is private mortgage insurance, which is also called PMR. If your down payment is less than 20%, lenders may require private mortgage insurance. Private mortgage insurance typically costs between 0.3% and 1.5% of your loan amount annually, increasing your monthly mortgage payments. Now, another expense that is hidden in mortgage or home ownership is maintenance and repairs. Owning a home means you are responsible for all maintenance and repairs. Common expenses include HVAC maintenance. Annual checks can cost $150 to $300 depending on the exchange rate in your country. Then also roof repairs. A leaky roof can cost a lot also, while a full replacement can go upwards even up to $10,000 or less or more. Now, plumbing issues also can cost you some money. So creating an emergency fund for unexpected repairs is crucial to avoid financial strain. Now, let's look at utility cost. This is another cost that you are going to bear. So when transitioning from renting to owning, utilities such as water, electricity, gas, and trash collection often increase due to the larger space. Budgeting for higher monthly bills is essential. Now, homeowners association fee is also there. Depending on the location where you are, that will determine how much you are going to be paying monthly or thereabout. So moving costs also, moving isn't cheap, especially if you are relocating across states. Expenses can include hiring movers, that's the vehicles, parking supplies, boxes, tapes, and other things. Then the storage fees, temporary storage costs may also arise. Now, another cost that is hidden when you are buying real estate is inspection and testing costs. Before closing a home inspection, before closing a home deal, a home inspection is necessary to uncover potential issues. You may also need additional tests for raiding, mold, or pests, which can cost some dollars or some naira depending on the location and the currency that is being spent where you are. Now, another cost fee that you have to look into is remodeling and customization. Many buyers want to personalize their new homes, from repainting walls to replacing flooring and many other things. These also cost some amount of money. Now, let's look at how you can plan for hidden costs and how I also can plan. Number one, you have to do your research and you have to budget. So you have to learn about common costs in your area and budget for them ahead of time. Many people move into homes and then they are even finding it difficult to fit. So with proper planning and proper research and proper budgeting, that is not going to be. Another thing you need to do is you have to negotiate. Try negotiating some costs such as seller paid closing fees, etc. Then create an emergency fund. Save at least 1 to 3% of the home's value annually for unexpected expenses and repairs. Then you have to consult experts. Work with experienced real estate agents and financial advisors to anticipate costs. So this is the Dr. Olubengade TV. Please, if this is your first time on this TV, make it a point to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if it is not your first time, please like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends, drop your comment in the comment section below. While buying a home,